SEO Rankings 2025, your guide to dominating Google. Hey everyone, it's your name and welcome to the channel. Ready to unlock the secrets to boosting your SEO ranking on Google in 2025? In this video, we're breaking down the latest strategies, tips, and best practices to dominate the search results. So if you're ready to drive massive traffic to your website and watch your business grow, buckle up because we're diving deep into the exciting world of SEO in 2025. The SEO advantage, why it's more critical than ever in 2025. All right, let's talk about why SEO is non-negotiable in 2025. Billions of searches happen on Google daily. When they search for something related to your business, will your website pop up? Being visible on Google is a must-have. It's the key to attracting customers, building brand authority, and growing your business. In today's digital age, if you're not on page 1 of Google, you might as well be invisible. Google's algorithms are constantly evolving. What worked last year might not cut it anymore. Google is becoming smarter, more intuitive, and laser-focused on delivering the best possible experience for its users. You need to up your SEO game. In this video, we'll walk you through the most effective SEO tactics to dominate in 2025. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of SEO and empower you to achieve sustainable long-term growth. Core Web Vitals, the user experience Trinity. Let's talk about user experience or UX. Google rolled out Core Web Vitals to measure how user-friendly your website is. These metrics ensure your site loads quickly, is responsive, and visually stable. Focus on these to enhance user experience and boost your rankings. Content is king, but quality is queen. You've heard the saying, content is king, right? In SEO, it's true, but with a twist, content is king, but quality is queen. Google prioritizes high-quality, valuable content that helps users. When you search for something on Google, you want in-depth, authoritative information that provides real value. That's exactly what Google is trying to deliver. High-quality content needs to be relevant to your target audience. It should address their pain points, answer their questions, and provide solutions. It needs to be comprehensive and in-depth. Think ultimate guides, case studies, and research-backed articles. Your content needs to be engaging and well-written. Use storytelling, visuals, and a conversational tone. Quality content is an investment. It takes time, effort, and resources to create. But trust me, the payoff is worth it. Focus on creating valuable content to rank high in 2025. Chapter 4, Winning with AI and Voice Search Optimization. AI and voice search are changing the SEO game, and you need to be ready. Google is using AI to understand search queries better than ever before. They're looking at intent, context, and even sentiment to deliver the most relevant results. Optimize your content for AI. Focus on natural language and long-tail keywords. For example, instead of targeting the keyword SEO tips, target best SEO tips for small businesses in 2025. More people are using voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant to search the web. When optimizing for voice search, think about how people speak naturally, use conversational language, answer questions directly, and provide concise information. By optimizing your website for these technologies, you'll be well ahead of the curve. Get ready to dominate in 2025. Chapter 5, Building Authority, Backlinks, Social Signals, and Brand Mentions. In SEO, authority is everything. Google wants to rank websites that are trustworthy, credible, and influential. One of the most effective ways to build authority is through backlinks. These are links from other reputable websites to yours. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more Google will see your website as an authority. Focus on earning backlinks from authoritative websites in your industry. Social signals are another important factor in building authority. When your content is shared on social media platforms, it sends positive signals to Google. Brand mentions play a crucial role. When your brand is mentioned on other websites, it can boost your authority. Building authority takes time and effort, but it's essential for a successful SEO strategy. Focus on earning high-quality backlinks, increasing social signals, and generating brand mentions. Establish your website as a leader in your industry and reap the rewards. Chapter 6, Technical SEO, the unsung hero of high rankings. Technical SEO often gets overlooked, but it's the foundation of a well-optimized website. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly. Google prioritizes mobile-friendly websites, so if your website isn't optimized for mobile devices, you're at a disadvantage. Site speed is a critical ranking factor. Optimize your images, leverage browser caching, and choose a fast hosting provider. Your website's architecture plays a crucial role in how Google crawls and indexes your pages. Create a clear and organized site structure with a logical hierarchy of pages. Use internal linking to guide both users and search engines through your website. Don't forget about XML sitemaps and robots.txt. Technical SEO might not be glamorous, but it's essential for ensuring your website is in tip-top shape for search engines. Focus on these technical aspects to boost your rankings. Chapter 7. Local SEO, dominating the local search results. For local businesses, local SEO is more important than ever. When people search for local businesses, Google uses local search results to provide the most relevant options. These results typically include a map pack with the top 3 local businesses matching the search query. Start with Google, My Business, GMB. Make sure your GMB profile is complete, accurate, and up-to-date. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and customer reviews. Citations are online mentions of your business name, address, and phone number on other websites. The more consistent your citations are across the web, the more credible your business appears to Google. Encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews on Google, Yelp, and other relevant platforms. Respond to both positive and negative reviews promptly and professionally. Positive reviews act as social proof, building trust and credibility for your business. Create content that's relevant to your local audience. Focus on these strategies to dominate local search results. Chapter 8. Measuring Success. SEO Tools and Analytics. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your progress, analyze your results, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Google Analytics is a free tool that provides a wealth of data about your website traffic, user behavior, and more. Use Google Analytics to track your organic traffic, bounce rate, time on site, conversion rates, and other key metrics. Google Search Console provides insights into how Google views your website. It shows you which keywords you're ranking for, any crawl errors or security issues, and opportunities to improve your website's visibility. Paid SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz offer more advanced features and functionalities. Regularly monitor your progress, analyze your data, and make adjustments along the way. Stay ahead of the curve and achieve sustainable, long-term success. Chapter 9. The Future of SEO, What to Expect, Beyond 2025. Let's gaze into the crystal ball and talk about the future of SEO. AI and machine learning will continue to play a larger role in SEO. Google's algorithms will become even more sophisticated, understanding search intent, context, and user behavior at an unprecedented level. Focus on creating high-quality content that answers user questions, solves problems, and provides a seamless experience across all devices. Visual search will rise. Optimize images and videos for visual search. Voice search will continue to shape the SEO landscape. Optimize for natural language, long-tail keywords, and conversational queries. Google is prioritizing mobile-friendly websites. Make sure your website is responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices. The world of SEO is constantly evolving. Stay informed about emerging trends and adapt your strategies. Focus on providing value to your audience to navigate the future of search. Chapter 10. Your Action Plan. Putting SEO into action. Time to take action. Conduct an SEO audit. Identify strengths and weaknesses. Optimize for user experience. Create high-quality content. Use diverse content formats. Build authority with backlinks. Engage on social media. Optimize for AI and voice search. Track progress with analytics. SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Outrow dominate Google. Amplify your success. That's it for today, everyone. I hope this video has given you the insights and inspiration to take your SEO to the next level. Remember, the digital landscape is constantly evolving, but with the right knowledge and strategies, you can stay ahead of the curve and achieve your online goals. So, take action, implement what you've learned, and watch your website climb the rankings. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help you succeed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.